As we saw in the previous video, we have been able to protect an application in a simple way, and each time we are creating configuration files based on the protections we want to apply. In order to visualize these files in a more intuitive way, if we use the command byhideshield-help, we can see that we have the option config:/find to search for a configuration file. As we are already located in the directory where we have the configuration files, we are going to use the command byhideshield-config:/find, and it would find the two configuration files that we created in the previous video. In this case, if I want to see the custom file, I select it with space and hit enter. Now we will be able to visualize how the configuration of this file is. It has the custom preset and has these protections. What if we want to configure the parameters of a certain protection? We can do it manually from the configuration file, or we can do it from the playground in the documentation. For this example, I will add the constant disintegration protection and configure it with the intensity 6 and mutate strings options, and I will call this configuration with another name. In this case, we can again copy it or download the file. If we move this downloaded configuration file to our folder, use again the command byhideshield-config:/find and select to view the new configuration file, we will see that it has the new protections we have added and inside its settings. If now we want to protect an application with this new configuration file, we use again the command byhideshield-protect::auto. Again, we provide the protect name, the path of the application to protect, and now we would choose the option load from a config file. We enter the name of the configuration file we created earlier and indicate the path. Finally, we will indicate the path where we want to save the protected application. Now we are going to see several advanced options to make this process more agile. Let's imagine that we want to automate this process, and we do not want to interact with the console. We can use the help command again to see that we have the protect option with all the required parameters: project name, application path, configuration path, and output directory path. We will start typing the command byhideshield-protect. The first thing we will add is the project name. We can use double quotes to indicate spaces in the name. Then we must indicate the path of the application to protect. Then the configuration file, and finally the output directory path. In this way, we see that all the protection is being done automatically without having to interact with the terminal. This would be all to protect our files in an integrable way with just one command line.